Hey Life Boosters, I'm Dr. Charles Livingston, CEO and founder of Lifeboost Coffee, and with me is my lovely wife Brittney. And today we are doing a coffee and cookie pairing. And if you've read any of my emails, you know that both of us have a gigantic sweet tooth, so this is one of our favorite things to do. So here we go. All right, the first one we're gonna test is Gingerbread Latte. So wifey, what cookie would you like to pair with Gingerbread Latte?
I know what you would pair with Gingerbread Latte, and it's your all-time favorite cookie, the Gingerbread Cookie.
You are correct.
And which one would I pair?
I would say the oatmeal raisin. What?
Try it.
Snickerdoodle.
Yes.
I guess that makes sense. You're the chef in the family, so your taste buds are on point there.
You can't do Snickerdoodle with or gingerbread with.
You can
There's
because
so much
it's
ginger.
double ginger, and I love ginger.
All
So
right, let's try this.
all right,
Cheers.
all right. Grab your cookie. There. Double ginger all the way.
Snickerdoodle. The cinnamon goes best with the ginger.
Next, let's do frosted sugar.
Try the coffee first.
Yeah, where'd you get these fancy mugs? I like that. Yeah, I like them. Merry Christmas.
That tastes just like a sugar cookie. Okay,
That's the goal.
what do I think you would pair with it? I think you would pair the gingerbread cookie.
No.
Or I'm sorry. Snickerdoodle.
No.
Nope. Sugar cookie?
Yup.
Yep. That's what I was going to pair with it too. Sugar cookie.
Oh, really?
Yep.
All right.
Guess we'll take this one.
All right. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. I love sugar cookies. Like Christmas sugar cookies with a sprinkle is the best.
That's really good.
Mine's being a kid. That's probably.
Oh, that's so good.
That actually tastes really well.
Perfect together. Now those two I would combine together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. All right, for our next coffee choice, we will do Boston cream donut.
I love donuts.
Yes, donuts are. We are unofficial donut connoisseurs.
We love them. From everywhere. He'll bring
Yeah,
me
we
donuts home from other states in his suitcase.
Yes, we actively search out donut shops.
Okay.
So for this one, what would you choose? Where'd you get these mugs? These look like your kids' mugs.
Yeah, so every year I make Christmas boxes. The night before Christmas, the kids open up a box with new jammies, Christmas mugs, and hot chocolate, and we always watch a movie together. So something that we like to do every year. So these are just the kids' mugs. All right. I would pair the brown.
Me too. That was my choice
The
because Boston cream donut has got chocolate and cream, and these are like looks like.
But I would
Cream
do the
cheese.
cream cheese brownie and not the regular.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna choose.
Yeah. All right, I'll do the regular.
Try this. Oh, that is good. They're all so good. Yep. You gonna dunk it?
No, that would be a disaster in my cup. Yeah, that's good pair. I like that.
Good.
Next up, vanilla chocolate, which is one of our newer flavors, and yeah, it actually got a little following. People really like this one, and I will say I'm a fan too.
Smells really good.
And our sweet Santa mugs,
More kids mugs.
or yeah, you guys know me. Yes, yeah.
For some reason, my mind really wants to go with the oatmeal raisin one.
I say snickerdoodle.
Ooh, that's good.
because of the cinnamon on the snickerdoodle and the cinnamon in the chai.
Something about oatmeal raisin just.
All right. All right, here we go.
I really like that.
Oh.
Want to try mine? Here.
All right.
You see what I'm talking about.
The winner is?
Yeah, that works good. I think mine's better.
I like mine better. I love mine way more.
Really? I like mine better. Yep. Alrighty, the final tasting. Are we ready? I like how your mug matches your shirt. It was a great show. It was a great show.
Wonderful.
Okay, so this one is White Russian. You know what cookie you're gonna choose?
I'm not choosing the cookie.
That's fair.
I'm gonna choose the brownie again.
Alright.
But not the cream one. Cream cheese one, right?
I'm going for the oatmeal raisins.
White Russian?
Mhm.
Interesting choice, Charles.
I'm going with the opposite. You know, the first one was I was very, gingerbread on gingerbread. This time I'm going, a little bit different.
I don't know. Let me change mine
So White Russian is cool,
Gingerbread.
right? Yeah.
I'm gonna do gingerbread. Okay.
All right, do it.
Alright, let's try. Oatmeal.
Mine does well.
That's not bad.
It's good, isn't it? Yeah. It's shockingly good. I'm gonna dip it.
It's all soggy.
It's good. I'm a fan. They're
Yeah.
good.
I like those too.
Well, that's all we got.
Yeah.
Well, we made it through 5. I mean, that's a lot of caffeine, a lot of cookies and sugar.
Be very caffeinated for today.
But no, it's we should make this another yearly tradition.
Yeah, I like it.
Cookies
We
and
should let
coffee.
the boys try it too and see what their thoughts are.
We should.
Both of our boys love coffee, so.
Obviously.